Valve's newly released Steam Deck OLED upgrades the popular mobile gaming PC's display. On the other hand, AYANEO was the first company to introduce an OLED display on a handheld device, the AYANEO Air. We currently have the AYANEO Air 1S, the company's latest OLED model handheld. So, how does the new Steam Deck OLED compare to the AYANEO Air 1S's screen? Let us investigate. Now if we look at the Steam Deck OLED first, it comes equipped with a 7 inches 1280 by 800 resolution OLED panel. This provides a few key benefits over the original Steam Deck's LCD display. Firstly, the OLED screen offers higher contrast with true blacks, since each pixel can turn off individually. This creates inky blacks and more vivid images. OLED also delivers faster pixel response times, reducing motion blur in games and video. Additionally, Valve claims a peak brightness of 1000 nits on the Steam Deck OLED, a significant upgrade from the 400 nits maximum on the LCD model. The brighter output improves visibility when gaming outdoors or in bright lighting conditions. This OLED panel also covers 100% of the sRGB color gamut, enabling more accurate and saturated colors. This is especially helpful for graphical games where color reproduction quality enhances immersion. Overall, the OLED display gives the Steam Deck richer, smoother visuals ideal for gaming on the go. The upgrade makes games and media look even better on the handheld. On the other hand, the AYANEO Air 1S packs a smaller 5.5 inches OLED display, but with a higher 1920 by 1080 resolution. Since this one is also OLED, it delivers the same benefits of high contrast, true blacks, and fast pixel response. But the higher 1080p resolution gives it an edge in sharpness over the Steam Deck OLED's 800p resolution. Text and details appear visibly crisper on the Air 1S display. However, the smaller 5.5 inches size means the pixel density advantage isn't too drastic, and the Steam Deck's 7 inches screen provides more usable space that may be preferential for some users. The Air 1S display gets a little brighter as well with a rated 350 nits peak brightness according to AYANEO. This improves visibility in bright conditions. The bezels are nearly non-existent, maximizing screen real estate in the compact chassis. So, while higher resolution, the Air 1S display has to pack those extra pixels into a more confined space. But picture quality remains excellent, thanks to OLED tech. So in terms of display, the Steam Deck OLED and AYANEO Air 1S both leverage OLED technology, providing vibrant visuals with true blacks and fast pixel response. The Steam Deck's larger 7 inches screen offers a more immersive experience, especially with its high brightness and color accuracy. On the other hand, the Air 1S boasts a higher resolution, resulting in sharper details on its 5.5 inches display. The choice between the two depends on personal preferences, whether one prioritizes a larger bright screen with rich colors or a compact display with a focus on resolution. The Steam Deck OLED and AYANEO Air 1S take different approaches to processing power. The Steam Deck utilizes a custom AMD APU with Zen 2 CPU cores, while the Air 1S leverages AMD's latest Zen 4 architecture. On paper, the Zen 4 chip looks faster for raw CPU speed. However, the Steam Deck's intelligent cooling design enables it to sustain higher performance for longer sessions. Apart from that, both devices are capable of delivering smooth frame rates for real-world gaming, thanks to power limits being tailored to the compact form factors. For graphics, the Steam Deck benefits from faster 64 Omega transfer per second LPDDR5 RAM compared to the Air 1S's more standard LPDDR5 speeds. This gives the Steam Deck an edge for memory bandwidth to push higher FPS to its display. Ultimately, while the Air 1S CPU seems superior, the Steam Deck's balanced custom architecture optimized for handheld gaming allows it to achieve equivalent or better real-world gaming performance in our opinion. Apart from that, both these handhelds handle demanding AAA games very smoothly. Now, if we take a look at the ergonomic form factor of both these handhelds, both Steam Deck and AYANEO Air 1S present distinct advantages and trade-offs. The Steam Deck, although significantly larger, thicker, and heavier at 669 grams, incorporates an ergonomic design with grips that enhance comfort during extended handheld play. While the bulk might be a drawback in terms of weight and size, the larger build provides a more comfortable and secure grip. In contrast, the Air 1S prioritizes exceptional portability with its lighter weight of 450 grams and a slim profile, making it impressively easy to carry. This emphasis on portability is a significant pro for users who prioritize on-the-go gaming. While the smaller size may feel more compact, it still ensures a comfortable handheld experience. Overall, both devices are well suited for mobile play, with the Steam Deck excelling in ergonomic design, and the Air 1S shining in extreme portability. The choice depends on individual preferences, whether one values a larger, more ergonomically designed device or prioritizes the utmost portability without compromising on comfort. Valve also upped their game when it comes to battery life. The Steam Deck's got this solid 50 watt-hour battery that promises you anywhere from 3 to 12 hours of gaming, depending on what game you're diving into and the settings you prefer. However, the Air 1S, with its smaller 38 watt-hour battery, faces some challenges when it comes to overall battery performance. According to many reviewers online, it lasts about an hour and a half, which is significantly shorter compared to the Steam Deck. So, if you are planning to use this handheld for playing demanding titles, then you might need to reconsider your thoughts. So, while the Steam Deck gives you flexibility, the Air 1S, unfortunately, falls short in battery longevity. You should make your choice wisely based on your gaming habits and preferences. A major advantage of the Steam Deck is it runs SteamOS for access to Steam games, but also allows installation of Windows and other software for OpenPC functionality. The Air 1S currently only supports Windows out of the box. It lacks the Steam Deck OLED starts at $549, making it highly competitive for the hardware and performance. The Air 1S comes in at $799, putting it in a higher pricing tier. Considering the specs and capability, the Steam Deck appears the better value proposition. Both the Steam Deck OLED and AYANEO Air 1S offer advanced OLED display technology optimized for handheld gaming, thanks to high contrast, fast response times, and vivid colors. But the Steam Deck's larger and more versatile OLED screen, combined with its ergonomic design and affordable pricing, gives it the edge as the ultimate handheld gaming solution. Yet the Air 1S still impresses with its lightweight portability and high-resolution display packed into a compact chassis. For those prioritizing minimal weight and ultra portability above all else, the Air 1S has plenty of appeal. But if we consider the overall package, the new Steam Deck OLED definitely seems more worth the value.